Alrighty guys, I got a little new, what's up boys? I got a little new camera for the channel. I got the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So why I got this is it's nice to have two cameras to make these films a lot more entertaining for you. But the main reason is this is supposedly a gimbal killer. So we will find out. I'm using a gimbal currently on this GoPro Hero 4. So what would be nice about this is when I'm driving POV, let me get this this little label off. Apparently all the big YouTubers, they put the GoPro in their mouth. And that gives it that great angle that you guys like. I also like it too. So I'm gonna start putting it in my mouth to give a little better POV point of view. So before we do that, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Let's check it out. See what this is all about. What, Blazer? What? Huh? What are you doing, Chappie? What's going on over there? You guys pumped too? Oh man. Ooh. There it is. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and let's hook this bad boy up and let's see what it looks like. Let's see how this stabilization works on this new GoPro. Seems like it's gonna work a lot better than before. But I always floss through that traffic just like I floss in the morning. It's going to be a fun, but I'm stuck in traffic on this little cement divider up here. But let's see what we can make work out of it. Shit. And there he is. There it is. Bam. Radar working.